Happy Thanksgiving! I am having my Thanksgiving dinner with you. I want to show you everything that I cooked and everything that I made so far. And I'm probably going to make some more stuff, but like, I only had so much time to make this, and I go, I wanted to tell you about the ingredients and stuff and what I did with everything that I made and where I got it, and just eat some of it with you, because I like to eat with you guys, right? Okay. And I am so thankful for all of you, for all my subscribers, all my future subscribers, and I'm thankful for everybody that watches all my videos, and you give me all the likes and all the comments, or if you just watch my videos, thank you so much, okay? And make sure you like my video, please, subscribe, please, and comment if you want, okay? And, well, are you ready to get started? I'm ready to eat, okay? I'm so hungry. And you know what I have to do? I got my Lipton iced tea, so cheers to you. I'm very thankful for all of you. And I really mean that, okay? And, okay, you guys ready? You ready to check it out? Yum. Okay, and let me show you what I did. Let me show you what I did. I gotta show you what I did. You wanna check it out? It looks so yummy, yummy, yum, yum. Okay, I don't want to spill it. It's a little hot because I heated it up in the microwave. It is a little hot. It was a little hot on me when I was doing the thumbnail too. But there you go. It's still a little hot. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it on this little, did you watch my Aldi video? Or you can watch it. Not my Aldi video, I'm sorry. I do have an Aldi video. But this is from the Dollar Tree. I got this, and I use this for a lot of times I'm couch eating. Sofa eating, and this is handy because it holds the tray. It's actually meant for eggs, but I like to create all these hacks all the time, and I like to hack my food too. I put all kinds of ideas and hacks and creations. So I'm going to tell you what I did, okay? Where shall I start? Okay, let's start with the mashed potatoes. Okay, so the mashed potatoes, what I did with those, which are right there. What I did with those, I boiled a bunch of potatoes. I got a 10-pound bag of potatoes. So I boiled 9 or 10 potatoes in water. Probably for about an hour maybe. And 45 minutes maybe. I'm not real sure on the time. 45 minutes probably around that time. And then I turned them off, let them cool down a little bit. And then I peeled the potatoes. And got all the peelings off them. Put them in a pot, and I mashed them all up, and then I added 1 stick of margarine, and then I added some seasoned salt and pepper, and then I added a couple, let's see, I added some milk, maybe about a cup of milk or so, half cup to a cup of milk, and then I added a couple big heaping tablespoons of sour cream, and I mashed up all those potatoes, and I turned the heat on low, mashed them all up and cooked them a little more, and had them all mashed up, and then I whisked them up and made them fluffy, and that's how I did my potatoes. Okay, and then for the stuffing, and the potatoes I got at Aldi's, the bag, the 10-pound. Okay, and the stuffing, I got that at Aldi's too. So I got the herb stuffing, it was in a bag, and a really good deal. And then, so I got me some celery, I got that at the grocery store. Celery and onions, which I got at the grocery store. I cut 1 onion up, half of a celery up real small, diced the onions up, and diced the celery up really small. And then I added I think it was 2 cups of chicken broth I added to it. 5 tablespoons of margarine. And then I added, what was that? Let me think. What did I miss? Oh, olives. I put a little handful of black olives in there. Cut them up really small. Mixed all that up in the stuffing. And then, I had the turkey too, a butterball turkey, which I got from Aldi's too, which was a really good deal. So I had to get the turkey ready. And the defrosting took a little longer than I thought, so I had to do the cold water defrosting for the rest of it. And then once that was done, I had the stuffing mixed up ready to go. And I got the stuff out of the turkey, got rid of that stuff they have. And then I put the stuffing in there and filled it with stuffing and put margarine all around the turkey, put it in a bag, a baking bag, a turkey bag, and then I put some little like slits in there, like 6 of them, like it tells you to do. And I put it. I had this tray that you cook the turkey in. It had handles on the side to put the turkey in and cook it. And then you close up the bag and put the slits on the top, like 6 of them, and you have the breast side up. And I cooked it for probably about 5 hours. Like I had it from 325, then I took it down to 300 to around 300. And you just have to check with your oven. Different ovens, the temperature, you know, it shows up differently. So I just kept a check on it, make sure it was done, and then I checked it with the thermometer, the cooking thermometer, make sure it was done, and it said it was done. Okay, and then after that, I had some stuffing left, so I put it in like a oven casserole dish, and I waited for that, and then what I did after that, I made my green bean salad. Okay, my stuffing's right there. My turkey's right there. I just got a little piece because I don't even know if I'm going to eat that right now because turkey makes me really sleepy and want to go to sleep. Okay, and then let me turn it around. Okay. I don't smell it. Okay, this is my green bean salad. And I don't know if you noticed there's something else in it. Okay, so you know at Target, because I always I like to look at everybody's things. So Target, I looked at Target. What they said, like, what is it, $25 for a family of 4 or something to eat there. For Thanksgiving, to buy from there. Okay, anyway, I saw at Target their green beans casserole that everybody likes to make for Thanksgiving. It had corn in it, so I was like, you know, I'm going to put corn in mine. This is the first time I'm going to put corn in it. So I had 2 cans of green beans. I got those at the grocery store. And then a pack of frozen corn, which I got at Target. They have that Good and Gather brand, and they're really good deals on their frozen vegetables, frozen corn, and then just one pack of frozen corn. Like I think it was like 12 ounces or a pound or something like that, and then 2 cans of the Campbell's cream of mushroom soup, and then I added 2 cups of water and the 2 cans of soup, and then you know those like kind of like the onions they have in the pack, the dried onions. I put those in there and mixed it all up. And then what I did, I saved a little bit of those dried fried onions to put on the topping toward the end of the cooking. So then I put the green bean casserole in the couple baking dishes. And then so I cooked that probably for like 45 minutes or so. I had that cooking, 2 casserole dishes with the green bean casserole, and then the leftover from the stuffing, the rest of it I cooked it up because I wanted to use the whole bag. And then, so I cooked that for like about 45 minutes or so. I just kept the check on it down low, maybe around, I had it low, maybe 275 or something. 300 a little bit, then 275 I lowered it because I didn't want anything to burn. Then towards the end of the cooking the green bean casserole, I just put some of those dried onions on top. I let it cook for another 5 or 10 minutes down low, maybe like 275 or something. And then I got a can of yams at the grocery store, and I made this delicious yam. I drained the yams. It's one of the bigger cans, and I drained the yams, and then I smashed them up. I added milk. I added butter. I added raisins. I added coconut flakes. I crunched up some walnuts. I put brown sugar and cinnamon, and I had it all smashed up, and I cooked it on low heat for a little while till it was simmering good, and that's how I made my yams, and they are really delicious. Oh, and I added like about a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and it was so good. And I put a little honey too, because I cannot forget about that honey. I put honey in there. There's a lot of ingredients in the yams, but they are really delicious. And cranberry sauce. I got that at the grocery store, and it is so delicious. so delicious. And also the gravy. Usually I make gravy, but I was like, you know, I'm going to buy this jar of gravy. They had it at Aldi's and it was a good deal. And I bought 4 jars of the gravy, the turkey gravy they have. I think it's turkey gravy, but they have 4 jars. I got 4 jars of the gravy they have. And it's really good, actually. I was going to make gravy, but I go, you know what, I'm just going to try it in a jar this year. And this is my Hawaiian roll. And you know what I put on it? I was going to put butter, but you know what? I have this cream cheese that I had got from Aldi. So I put cream cheese on it. And this is the Hawaiian sweet roll. It is so delicious. So I'm going to take a couple little bites right now. Okay, this is the mashed potatoes. This is the green bean casserole. Let's see the corn on there. So good that way too. This is the stuffing. That is so delicious. This is the sweet potatoes, the yams I made, and they are so good. And this is cranberry sauce. And then, there's my turkey, but I'm going to wait on that and eat that later. Because you know what? That's going to make me want to be so tired. It's got that, what is it, tryptophan it's called or something in there? And you know what I usually like to do when I'm eating my Thanksgiving food? I like to get a little bit of the cranberry sauce and eat it with all the different stuff. Okay, I'm going to put this down for 1 minute. And I hope I don't drop it. And I'm going to show you this delicious. This roll is so good like this. You're going to have to try it. That is so delicious. It's so... Look at this yumminess. Okay, so there's my Thanksgiving dinner. Yay! Yay! I'm going to have a little bit of it with you. I'm so happy to have it with you. I'm so thankful for all of you. Every single one of you, okay? Every single one of you that watch my videos, or even if you're not watching my video, I'm just thankful for everybody, okay? And I'm thankful for everything, okay? And thank you again. Thank you. Okay. So, please like my video. Please subscribe. And you can comment if you want, okay? Only if you want to comment, okay? Okay. And thank you for all the nice comments and all the likes and all the subscribers and all the future subscribers, okay? And I'm very thankful for all of you. And I'm thankful for everything, okay? And I hope all of you guys have a very, very, very beautiful, beautiful day, okay? Have a very good day, okay? And I will see you soon because you know I got lots more videos to make for you. And they're going to be showing up soon, okay? So I'll see you soon. Okay, bye-bye.